Good morning, third graders. Welcome to your second step lesson on this beautiful Monday morning. Here we go.
All right. Today we're going to start with an activity. This activity is called the Frozen Feelings Factory. So you guys are going to be the factory workers, and we are going to be the foremen, for women, and the bosses.
Oh yeah.
So there are 3 rules to this game. Rule number 1 is listen to the feeling that we say. Rule number 2 is to show that feeling on your face. Rule number 3 is when we say freeze and think, you need to freeze with whatever feeling you have on your face and think of a time that you felt that way. Are you ready?
Let's play.
All right. The first feeling is frustrated. Show frustrated on your face.
Freeze. Think about a time that you might have been frustrated. Share that time with the person next to you. How did that make you feel?
All right. Feeling number 2, excited. Show how you would look if you were excited.
Freeze. Keep that excited face on and think about a time that you might have been excited about something. Turn and tell your partner.
All right. Last feeling, angry. Show anger in your face.
Freeze. Think of a time that you might have been angry. Share with your partner.
All right, we're going to move on to our story for the week.
Here we are. During today's game, you remembered a time you had a strong feeling. Today you'll hear a story about a boy feeling a strong feeling. This is Matt. He is about to take a big, long math test. We know how that feels. Think about how Matt feels. Turn and tell your partner your ideas. Show a thumbs up if you've ever felt like Matt. Taking a test can make you feel nervous and probably anxious.
Hands up if you think anxious is an uncomfortable feeling. It's okay to feel anxious, but when you're really anxious, your body may be uncomfortable. Matt is feeling very uncomfortable. His hands are sweaty, his face is hot, and his heart is beating quickly.
Think of a time you felt really anxious. You don't need to say what happened, but raise your hand when you hear how your body felt and keep your hand up. Hot face, raising heart, sweaty palms, upset stomach, wobbly legs. You felt your feelings in your body.
When you have a strong feeling, it's hard for your brain to think. Imagine your hand is your brain. I want everybody to hold up your hand. This right here, the thumb, is the feeling part of your brain. That's where you have your feelings. Your thumb is always fold over like that. The other part, your fingers, are your thinking part of your brain. And they're always touching and holding that feeling part of the brain because they manage that feeling part. When you feel a really strong feeling, they might say you flip your lid. That means that your thinking part goes up and your feeling part is going crazy. So now we're going to pretend that we are Matt's brain. So right now, Matt is feeling very anxious. So he is kind of feeling a lot of feelings and his feelings are going out of control. He needs to start to control these and focus attention on his body about how to manage this. When he starts to recognize that he's feeling a little bit out of control, he needs to use his thinking part of the brain, his fingers, to try and calm that feeling part down. Next lesson, you'll learn exactly what steps Matt does to calm his feelings down.
So today, you learned what happens in your brain and your body when you feel strong feelings. When you feel really strong feelings, the feeling part of your brain takes over, and it's sometimes hard to think. Your body might start to feel uncomfortable. You can focus your attention on your body for clues about how you might be feeling. When you recognize these feelings, the thinking part of your brain can start to manage your feelings. So next time you come up with a situation where you're feeling a little anxious or maybe frustrated, remember to think before you let your feelings take over. All right, that's what we've got for you today, third graders.
Have a great Monday.
We'll see you later.